Okay, I'm here with the Zoomer. I just got this new animal. I would recommend it if you're a member and you have the diamonds. They have the ancient thing. I'm so hungry. I have nothing to eat here. But this is the best animal ever. You gotta get it if you have diamonds. It's like best. I'm gonna make a cougar look maybe. See, if you guys really look, if you don't look at this close up, it looks like a black long. Why? I feel so bad for her. She doesn't have one. I don't know if I should have this or this. Wow! See how many likes this has. Wow! 115, I think. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I just love that. Just look at that. Oh yeah, my mom got a huge house and it looks so cool and we're moving it into it today. We are currently in a small apartment and my toilet is flooded. You cannot judge me. Don't judge. Let's see what this person has. Why does some of those items, oh my god. I need you to give me this plus. No! No one has anything. Right now, I think she's making a cougar look. I think I love this look more than anything. I just need some, something to go for. Oh, wow. Wow. Just, wow. Wow, wow. I don't know. I may make this a look different. Look, this is the colors for this. I think if you make your, don't copy this look, but if you have the brown fur, say you go with this one. See, it just goes perfectly with it. But anyways, I'm going back with my main colors I like. I think the pink, if you were doing like a pink look, like a really light pink look, like right there, yeah, it'd go perfect. But let me go back to here, and I do not like pink that much. But yeah, I need to tell you something. Are these bow and arrows like that don't have rares on that says rare on them? Beta? I don't know. Okay, I'm just. Wow! I'm sorry. So good. Oh, no one has something I need. I'm sorry, Zuma. I need to get this. I need this, okay? Actually, no, I don't think I need it that much. No! Call of the Alphas. Yeah. My god, I'm so hungry. Apparently, I can't buy that. What? I gotta get her the. I haven't played this in forever. Usually, you should just follow the golden path. to get these. Hopefully they're... Is that not one? No. Last time I was here, I'm pretty sure there was one number here. What do I know? Please help. Please help. Oh my God, please help. Run, run. Yes, a clover. I got my own. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't fully overgrown. Wait, this is gold. Oh yeah, that led me here. La 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 la. No! La 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 la. So lucky. Too lucky. No, you don't always get rares, I think. Did I just come back to... Nope, I didn't. Please help me. I just need five more, cause I have five, just need five more, so hungry. I think I might get on the spare. Oh my God, no one wants to help me. I might as well just get on my spare. Oh, I don't wanna. Can't they fly up there? Yes, I think they can. Aww. I just realized that, okay? Just realized that. How was I so stupid? How could I not see that? I was so hungry. Just need a few more. Just one more. That was not quick. Can you hurry? Computer or laptop? I call it the laptop computer, so. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Wow. What? Oh yeah, I'm gonna call heaven. And each one, just means 10 more, I believe. Yeah. No, I think I got the ones that are. Let me get this one. I remember when I played this, I think last year. Oh my lord. It took me, I kept rage quitting until somebody finally had the guts or whatever. It was so nice. They finally helped. Someone actually helped. I was so happy. I would always rage quit because I couldn't find it. Because I'd be on here for like forever. Like hours. I think I got this. Nope, haven't an answer. I want to get the epic one. I think I'm just gonna keep playing this to get the coins. Please dance with me, please, please. Is that girl literally just gonna let herself log out? She got a key. I wonder how big. I forgot how big um the epic key is. So yeah. Ow, 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 ow. Boy, you need to shut up. Wow. See, oh, I didn't notice this one.